Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Tascam Portacapture X8. This is a high resolution adaptive multi-recorder or audio recorder, and this is really bang up to date with technology. It offers up 32-bit floating point audio recording, which means you don't have to worry about audio levels so much or distorted audio. Really cool. On the side, we've just got some extra branding. Round on the back, it actually tells you some of the main specifications. So we've got 4 XLR TRS combo jacks on here with external mic line inputs, a 3.5-inch colour touchscreen. As I mentioned earlier, it supports up to 192 kHz 32-bit floating point recording, integrated oversized large diaphragm condenser mics, and detachable and attachable L and R mics to form A, B, true XY patterns. So a very flexible 8-track multi-track recording system. It can also be used as a USB audio interface. There are apps available on the Google Play Store and iOS App Store to support the device. You can obviously interact with it via the main control panel or the touchscreen here, but you can also control it via the app as well, which is really useful. So let's take a look inside the box and see what we get inside. So we have got a rather large pack of paperwork. So this is some registration information and also multi-language instruction manual. So this is going to get us up and running with the recorder very quickly, and it should be quite intuitive as well because it is a touchscreen device. We've also got some batteries here. I won't remove those for this unboxing, but we've got 4 AA batteries included. That's nice to see. And then inside these packs here, I assume these are the mic capsules. So this is one of the removable mic capsules. So these will be installed, as you see on the photo here. This is one of the mic capsules that will be installed on the top of the recorder. Very lightweight. I didn't expect it to be that light. That's one of those. I'm assuming the other one is in here somewhere. Such strange packaging. Here we go. So we're into the packaging now. This is the recorder just coming out. We'll take a closer look at that in a short while. We have got the other microphone capsule. This is the second mic capsule for the top of the recorder. And then I think that's pretty much it, apart from the batteries, which I haven't removed there. So we've got the 4 AA batteries, the 2 mic capsules, the instruction manual that I showed you earlier, and the recorder itself. Wow, this is looking superb. Absolutely stunning. So we've got this large touchscreen on the front, as you can see. Inputs 1 and 2 are for these mic capsules, so they go on the top here. And then we've got 3 and 4, so 2 XLR combi inputs here. Then we got 5 and 6, which are 2 more XLR combi jacks on the side. And if we go back round to this side, you can see here we've got an external input and a line output as well, so where you're going to connect it to something like your camera. Got a headphone port as well for monitoring your audio. We've also got a headphone volume control on the side. We've got a little metal bar here which could be used for some sort of carrying strap. And if we take a look around on this side, we've got that same metal bar just here. We've got a power on switch and a hold switch, so you can use that to obviously power the unit on, but also to put a hold on it, so sort of lock all of the controls down. We've got a little cover which is over the memory card slot. We've got USB-C on the side as well. So USB-C would be used for connecting this to your computer, for example, to use as an audio interface. And then if we take a look around on this portion here, we've got a couple of LED lights, peaking and recording LEDs. The main touchscreen, of course, we've got this rotary dial. We've got play and pause, stop, record and mark, so that we can mark recordings. And if we take a look around on the back, Got these little rubberized sections, long one on the base, couple just here. We've also got a metal cold shoe mount, so we can use this for mounting on top of a camera, for example. We've also got a threaded mount, so we can mount this to a desktop stand, a little mini tripod, or some sort of arm if you're going to put it onto like a moving arm, like a boom arm. And then this is the battery compartment, which we can of course remove to install the batteries. This is where the batteries go. So really really nice looking audio recorder. It looks absolutely stunning, and it should perform very well as well. And here we go. I just wanted to give you a quick look at this powered on with the microphone capsules installed on the top and the main launcher menu system. So this is a touchscreen, so we can scroll around to the various presets. We can go, for example, into manual mode, and then you will see that because I've got the microphones installed up here, as we talk, the level meters show on the home screen here. And we've got various screens we can go to. We've got a mixer screen, the home screen, the input screen, so that we can really configure this to how we want it to perform. And this is with the built-in microphones on the top here, so as it comes out of the box you can open this up, power the unit on, and get straight on with recording great quality audio. This is the Tascam Portacapture X8. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. Please check out the links in the video description to where you can pick this up for yourself. And if you want to see this in action and hear how it sounds, then please do subscribe to the channel. I'll be testing this and doing some audio recording with it, and I'll share the results with you in a future video. Don't forget to hit that like button, of course. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.